Hello and welcome to another video. Today I would like to show you how to save a lot of time when doing repetitive graphs in Excel over and over again. For this we are going to use the template feature. I have prepared some data, and in this case it is the past year's performance in Amazon stock, and we would like to visualize that data. So what we are going to do, we are selecting the data, go to Insert, Recommended Charts, and then let's select the line chart. However, we don't really like the appeal of the line chart, so we are going to, largen up the font in both cases for both axes. We're going to have a headline, bold and underlined, and we are doing some shenanigans with the outlines in the graph and maybe some shape fill. And maybe let's also change the color of the line in the chart, as well as insert a trend line, because we want to see the 1 year trend. Also going to make that a different color. And what we can do now, we can right click the graph, go to Save as Template, and give the template a name. Let's call it data, whatever. And whenever you have to do the exact same graph again, you just select the data, go to Insert, take the line chart again. However, in this case, you go to the right side, change chart type, go to Templates, and take Data. And as you can see, this saved us a lot of time in formatting that graph. So if this has helped you, then please consider liking or subscribing, and in any case, have a great week. Bye bye.